ChatGPT just dropped a new update and people are losing their minds over it. And yeah, it's genuinely impressive. But here's the thing nobody's talking about. The update doesn't actually make you money itself. In this video, you're going to know all about this update, but most importantly, how you can make money from it. So here's what's going on. ChatGPT now lets you generate real charts directly inside the chat. You don't need Excel or spreadsheets. You don't need to be copy-pasting data into some other app. You just type something like, compare the top 3 ways people find communities online, as an example. And then it draws you a clean visual chart right there on your phone in 3 seconds only. And look, that's genuinely useful. Comparing ideas, planning content, showing people the before and after of something, it's faster than anything we've ever had before. I mean, the fact that you can do this from your phone while you're sitting on your couch is wild. A year ago, that would have taken you 20 minutes in Excel and still looked terrible. But here's the thing most creators aren't saying. This is just a tool. It's a really good tool, but tools alone are not something that makes you money. Selling something is what makes you money. And if you want to actually use AI to build income, you need to understand what you're actually selling and to who. My name is Fred. I make a living selling digital products online, specifically high-ticket online courses, because they're so high profit, it's literally the best way to make money online. My record is over 5K in cash, hitting my bank account in 48 hours. I'm not talking about revenue or gross, that's real money in my account with profit margins of around 95% because I don't have a warehouse, I don't have staff, I don't have inventory. It's just me, a few AI tools and a laptop. And in this video, I'm going to show you how this new ChatGPT update ties directly into the best way to make money with AI right now. The best AI business model right now, and I've tested lots of them, is selling online courses, teaching people something. It doesn't matter if it's how to use AI tools for their small businesses, how to lose weight, how to get better at chess, how to learn a language, how to build a Shopify store. It doesn't matter. People pay for knowledge. They always have and they always will. And the good news is, AI has made it easier than ever to package that knowledge and sell it. But let me tell you why courses beat literally everything else. PDFs, templates, none of that beats courses. You record the content once, and then it sells over and over and over again. You're not shipping anything, you just drive traffic to an offer that works while you sleep. That's the dream, right? That gives you location independence, financial freedom. That's exactly what I'm living right now. And AI gets you there faster than any other path I've found, because courses sell for more than just ebooks or just templates. Now, I know what you're already thinking. You're thinking, Fred, that sounds awesome, but I don't really have anything to teach. I'm not an expert in anything, so how could I be selling courses? And I want to push back on that hard, because that excuse is gone. It's dead in 2026. The good news is that you don't need to be the expert thanks to AI. If you want, you can partner with one, but you could also just use AI as your research partner. AI has literally never been better at helping you find, organize, and curate information to sell it. If what I just said clicked for you and you're thinking, okay, I get the idea, but I want to see the actual system step by step. Well, I've got good news for you. I made a free course that walks you through exactly how I make money online with AI, from start to finish. How to build an online course business using AI, even if you're starting from zero and don't have any experience. And you also don't need an audience to make this work. It's completely free and it's the first link in the description below this video. And if you want me to personally look at your situation and tell you exactly what to do to start making money with AI, you can book a free call with me too. Now I've got limited spots for that, but all the links will be in the description below. A lot of people think they can't start selling online courses with AI because quote unquote, I don't have anything to teach. Here's the thing most people don't realize. You don't need to be a world-class expert anymore. You just need to know more than your student, and AI can help you close that gap really fast. So let me explain what I mean. Say you want to build a course on how to use AI tools to save time in small businesses. It could be a course on any topic in any industry. I'm just using that as an example. So sticking with my example, let's say you're not the world's leading authority on that. Fine, but you can use AIs like ChatGPT to research the topic, pull together the best information, structure a curriculum, write lessons, and even generate charts and visuals like the new update we're talking about in this video. AI pulls the knowledge from the internet, you package it, and then you sell it. The course still has your name on it, your brand, your presentation style. Or, and this is the part that blows people's minds, it doesn't even have to be your face on it. You can use an AI avatar tool like HeyGen, pair it with a voice clone from something like 11 Labs, and create a faceless course business. So you're getting in sales every day, but you're never using a camera. You don't have to have an expensive studio. Nobody ever sees you. You're just the person behind the system, behind the machine. And I mean, think about how insane that is. You can build an income stream where the teacher is an AI version of a persona you created. The content was researched and written by AI. The charts and visuals were made by ChatGPT in minutes, and the whole thing runs while you go do whatever you want. This is the exact business model that gives you your freedom back. So coming back to the ChatGPT chart update, here's how I'd actually use it in a course business. When you're selling a high-ticket course, you need to show people why they should care. You need to make them feel the problem and see the solution. Charts do that. A visual showing time spent on this task before AI versus after AI hits way harder than just saying AI saves you time. People see it and they feel it instantly. So yes, use this update. Use it to create content for your YouTube channel. Use it to build slides for your course. Use it to make comparison graphics for your sales page. Use it to plan your offer. It's a legitimate business tool and it's free inside ChatGPT right now. But don't sit there just making random charts and thinking that's the business. The business is the course. The business is the offer. The charts, they just help you sell it faster. Look, AI tools like this are compounding. Every few weeks, there's another update that makes building and selling digital products faster and also easier. A year ago, you needed a videographer, a studio, a course platform developer, a copywriter, a graphic designer. That's a lot. Today, all you need is ChatGPT and maybe a few other AI tools, and you can replace all of that. So I'm telling you, the people who learn this now, who build their course businesses now, are gonna have a real head start. Because in a few months, in a few years, every corner of the internet is gonna be flooded with AI-generated content, and the people who built audiences and trust and real products before that wave hits are the ones who win. You wanna be that person. More and more people are becoming aware that AI is this huge thing every single day. This isn't about working more hours. It's about building something that scales. A course you can make once, you can sell to 1,000 people. If it's a course for $1,000 or more, just do the math. That math will literally change your life. So that's the move. Use every new AI update that comes out, including this one, as a tool inside a real business. And the real business is selling knowledge, packaging it into a course with your face or without, and selling it to people who want to learn what you know or what AI helped you learn. So if you're serious about financial freedom, don't just close this video and go watch something else. The people who actually change their situation are the ones who act today, not next month. So to help you, I made a free course that shows you the entire system I use to build and sell online courses with AI step by step. So all you've got to do is copy my system. And AI does the work for us. Like, what more do you want? It gives me real income, real freedom without trading more hours for money. Most people charge like thousands for this kind of training, but mine is completely free. So grab it in the description below. And if you want me to personally look at your situation and help you figure out your exact next steps, you can book a free call with me. I don't take a ton of these calls, so spots go really fast. Both links are in the description below this video. I will see you inside the course or on the call.